Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classification Ideas by Ushnam. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is very unique, and at the same time it is very easy to make. All you have to do is kindly be patient and watch the video till end, and I suggest that you will be very pleased and you would be satisfied by getting very beautiful and trendy design ideas with very informatic stitch designing ideas with very stylish and trendy, easy to make my suggestions and opinions as well. So friends, one more thing, I have a simple request to you in this video, that if you want me to share some design tutorials, or if you want me to share a tutorial for making a specific hand embroidery stitch or a pattern or a design, then kindly do comment below this video, so that it should be in my notice or in my mind that which embroidery stitch you want me, or which type of embroidery pattern you want me to teach you in the form of a tutorial, to give you step by step easy way and a detailed perspective of becoming an embroidery artist or a embroidery professional. Because most of you have been commenting and they are not very clear in their thoughts or comments, so that we were unable to get the idea that what type of embroidery patterns or what type of embroidery stitches are required from you and what is your requirement. So friends, before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you, that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Friends, the uniqueness and the beauty of these designs would let you know that how you can do these patterns, how you can make these embroidery patterns. The scope of these designs is very wide. In this video I am not showing you these embroidery patterns made on a specific thing, like a hand embroidered handmade face mask, or a handmade hand embroidered mobile case, mobile cover, hand embroidered glasses cover, or hand embroidered table mats, table covers, or some sort of other DIY fashionable accessory items. And if we talk about the home decor ideas, then some sort of cushion cover, pillow embroidery cover, bed sheets all over sprays, round table mat covers, side table mat covers, or any other type of stuff that you use to require your home decor art. And not only this, you can also make these very beautiful and stylish, trendy, nature inspired 3D hand embroidery flower patterns for creating a very beautiful, artistic, stylish and creative hoop art patterns for your very beautiful and naturally designed, highly designer style and an artist style embroidery kit. So if we talk about the dress designing patterns, then the answer is very entertaining, answer is very amazing and creative at the same time. You can design your dresses, kurtis, shirts, scarves, shawls, sleeve designs, daman, shirt, ghera, borders, trousers, pants, jeans, denim made fabrics like denim jackets, denim shirts, jeans or denim pants, or any other sort of woolen material like ponchos, cardigans, sweaters. And even you can also make these very beautiful patterns onto your hand knitted stuff like gloves, head warmers, neck warmers, small and mini shawls, and also very beautiful and pretty 3D hand embroidered, modern embroidery inspired designer style. These embroidery patterns at the same time could be used to design what? Yes, you have heard it right, and you have understood me in a very correct manner. That is, you can design your baby girl frocks, skirts, shirts and dresses as well, because these funky design patterns like butterfly, some sort of very beautiful and green trees, tree embroidery, some very beautiful floral bunches that could be designed and placed onto your baby girl's shirt center, or onto the corner of your baby girl frocks as a side motif of the your baby girl's frock, and much more. In other words, I want to say that the scope is much broader the way you think, and to create more reflexive, more attractive, more eye catchy and some sort of giving a fancy type of touch, you can use beads, pearls, pressed gum stones to give a more creative and artistic touch as well. Friends, Just try one of these patterns and then you would get to know the creativity and the importance of these very beautiful embroidery patterns. If we talk about the embroidery stitches used in this whole collection, then a number of embroidery stitches have been used, but if we talk about a specific design pattern or a design idea, then only 2 to 3 hand embroidery stitches have been used. If I give you some ideas on the basis of some upper level or some professional level, then I would suggest you friends that kindly if you are making an embroidery pattern with small mini leaves, and then you must go for the must and the very important stitch, the first and the foremost step of embroidery beginners, that is the lazy daisy stitch. And if you are going to make some sort of big hand embroidery flowers, some sort of 3D creative look, then go for Mexican embroidery or then go for Brazilian embroidery patterns, because Brazilian or Mexican embroidery at the same time gives you a fuller, heavier look of thread embroidery, and it gives a very beautiful and artistic touch of 3D embroidery patterns as well. So I hope that my today's video is a helpful, creative, artistic and unique in itself, and you have found it pretty easy and stylish at the same time. And don't forget to comment below this video so that we could know about your thoughts, interests, choices and ideas, because your comments are the only way through which we get to know about the ideas, about the choices, opinions and your state of mind and the type of suggestions you want to give to us. So stay tuned, stay connected. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed and try to be positive. Only attract positive vibes, especially in this era of pandemic in which COVID have massively affected human lives and is continuously affecting human lives. And one more important thing that I just forgot to share with you, that you can simply make this very beautiful and easily adjustable and understandable and easily drawable, madeable or handmade or the creative art in your face masks. Try to utilize your free time, especially in the period of lockdown, in your homes to create or to bring your effortless or leisure time or ideal or free time by utilizing your time into a very productive product and a creative activity. I hope that I have tried my levels best to persuade you to try these patterns, and kindly I have tried my best to interact with us in the form of comments, to give your opinions and your what you want us to share with you and much more. So I hope that you won't forget to comment, like and share my video massively with your friends and family, and keep trying and keep watching our content and keep adding to our YouTube family so that we could reach into a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support we have reached at this level, and I am pretty much sure that with your endless love and support we will achieve more milestones of the YouTube friends and family members. So with this, allow me to leave. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care.